Imagine embarking on a journey to the stars, not knowing if you'll ever reach your destination. Picture a voyage so long it transcends the boundaries of a single human lifespan. This journey is not just a figment of science fiction, but a concept deeply rooted in reality and scientific possibility. Welcome to the world of generation ships. These colossal spacecraft are designed to carry thousands of people on voyages that span generations. The idea is as intriguing as it is awe-inspiring. Imagine a ship so large and self-sufficient, it's more like a floating city than a traditional spacecraft. It's a vessel that doesn't just transport people, but whole communities, societies, cultures, and ecosystems, all traversing the vast, uncharted expanses of space. The journey of a generation ship is not one of speed, but of endurance. Unlike the space missions we're familiar with today, these ships wouldn't zip to their destinations at breakneck speeds. Instead, they would cruise slowly, allowing life to flourish within their protective hulls. Generations of inhabitants would live and die on board, each contributing to the mission in their own way, inching humanity closer to distant stars and galaxies. The destinations of these ships, potentially habitable worlds light years away from our own. These are places we can't reach with our current technology within a human lifetime. But with a generation ship, we could set a course for these distant worlds, knowing that it might be our great-great-grandchildren who will finally arrive. The voyage of a generation ship is a testament to human ambition, our collective curiosity, and our desire to reach beyond our own backyard. It's about carrying the torch of human civilization, passing it from one generation to the next against the backdrop of the cosmos. This is the concept of generation ships, colossal spacecraft designed to carry thousands of people on voyages spanning generations. It's a journey to the stars, a voyage into the unknown, and perhaps a glimpse into the future of humanity's journey in the cosmos. Building a generation ship would be a monumental task, requiring collaboration of scientists, engineers, and visionaries from around the world. The magnitude of such an endeavor is hard to comprehend. Picture this. It's not just about constructing a vessel. It's about creating a self-sustaining world, a microcosm of Earth that can support human life for hundreds, perhaps thousands of years. The design of the ship itself would be a marvel of engineering. It would need to be massive, housing thousands of people and providing space for agriculture, manufacturing, and recreation. It would need to be robust, capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of interstellar space for centuries on end. And it would need to be efficient, recycling and reusing resources to sustain its inhabitants. Choosing the crew would be another challenge. We're not just talking about astronauts, but farmers, doctors, teachers, engineers, and more. These people would not only need to be skilled in their respective fields, but also psychologically prepared for the immense responsibility and isolation of their mission. They would be the pioneers, the first generation of many to call the ship home. The technology required to keep the ship running would be unlike anything we've seen. Advanced AI systems would manage everything from climate control to waste management. Hydroponic gardens would provide fresh produce, while lab-grown meat could supplement the diet. The crew would need to be able to repair and replace every component of the ship, so manufacturing facilities would be a must. The energy requirements would be astronomical. Nuclear fusion, the power of the stars themselves, could provide the solution. This technology is still in its infancy, but if mastered, it could provide the ship with a near-limitless supply of energy. From design to launch, the creation of a generation ship would be a testament to human ingenuity. It would require the best of us, our knowledge, our creativity, and our courage. But more than that, it would reflect our collective aspiration to reach beyond our own world, to explore the unknown, and to secure a future among the stars. Life aboard a generation ship would be unlike anything we've experienced on Earth. The world as we know it would be replaced by the confines of a colossal ship, a self-contained microcosm of humanity hurtling through the vastness of space. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your entire world is a complex piece of engineering. From the air you breathe to the food you eat, everything would be a product of meticulously designed systems, aimed at sustaining life for centuries. The challenges would be immense. Picture living in a world where the concept of up and down is moot, where the familiar pull of gravity is replaced by the strange sensation of weightlessness. Even the simplest tasks would become a ballet of motion, a dance choreographed in zero gravity. But it's not just about the physical challenges. The social dynamics aboard a generation ship would be a fascinating study in human adaptation. Imagine growing up living and growing old in the same environment with the same group of people. New social norms would evolve, distinct cultures would emerge, and the concept of home would be redefined. Education would be crucial. Each generation would have the responsibility to pass on the knowledge and skills needed to maintain the ship and its systems. After all, the journey to the stars isn't a sprint, it's a relay race spanning generations. And let's not forget about leisure. Music, art, sports, these wouldn't be luxuries but necessities. They would provide the much-needed respite from the monotony of life aboard the ship, and serve as a reminder of our shared humanity. Indeed, life on a generation ship would redefine our understanding of community and survival. It would be a testament to human resilience, a celebration of our indomitable spirit, and perhaps it's in this crucible of shared experience and mutual dependence that we truly realize our potential as a species. After all, what could be more human than reaching for the stars together? Keeping a generation ship operational for centuries would require advanced technology and innovative solutions. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds like a tall order. And you'd be right. But let's break it down. First, consider the challenge of maintaining a sustainable ecosystem. We're not talking about a small greenhouse here. We're talking about a self-sustaining ecosystem comprehensive enough to support thousands of people for hundreds of years. This would involve advanced hydroponic and aeroponic systems, nutrient recycling, and perhaps even synthetic meat production facilities. It's like having a mini Earth right there in the ship. Then there's the question of energy. Solar power, our go-to for space missions, becomes less effective the further you get from the sun. So, we might need to look into advanced nuclear power or even harness the power of antimatter. Yes, the stuff of science fiction could become a reality. We also have to think about protecting the crew from cosmic radiation. In space, there's no atmosphere to shield us from harmful radiation, which can cause serious health problems. The ship would need advanced shielding, possibly using magnetic fields or layers of water and other materials. And let's not forget about the psychological challenges. Imagine spending your entire life aboard a ship, knowing you'll never set foot on Earth. We'd need to consider space for recreation, mental health support, and ways to keep life interesting over decades or even centuries. Lastly, the ship must be robust. It needs to withstand the rigors of space travel and have systems that can be repaired or replaced over time. We're talking about machines that can last longer than any we've ever built. Overcoming these challenges would not only ensure the ship's survival but also push the boundaries of our technological capabilities. It's a daunting task, but if we're ever going to reach the stars, it's one we'll need to tackle head-on. Because when it comes to exploring the final frontier, every challenge overcome is one giant leap for mankind. But why would humanity embark on such a journey, you might ask? Well, the answer is as old as humanity itself. We are a species driven by curiosity, constantly pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and experience. We climbed the highest mountains, not because it was easy, but because they were there. We dove into the deepest oceans to uncover secrets hidden in the darkness. We split the atom, sequenced the human genome, and sent probes to the farthest reaches of our solar system, all in the name of discovery. And now, we stand on the precipice of the next great frontier, the stars. The vastness of space with its endless possibilities and mysteries calls to us. It's a challenge, a promise, and a dream. The dream of discovering new worlds, new life, and perhaps even a new home for humanity. The stars have always beckoned us, and a generation ship could be the first step towards fulfilling that destiny. So, what do you think? Could generation ships be the future of human space exploration? Picture yourself as a part of this great voyage. Imagine the thrill of life aboard a spaceship, the challenges, the triumphs, the sheer awe of looking out your window and seeing the cosmos up close. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you see a future where humanity takes on such grand expeditions? How would you feel about living your entire life aboard a spaceship, your children's children being the ones to witness the arrival at a distant star? This is a conversation, and your voice matters. So, let's get the discussion going. Leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. Your perspective could inspire a whole new way of looking at our future in the stars. And if you're as captivated by the mysteries of the universe as we are, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more epic adventures in space.